Mountain View High School in El Monte in our baby food forest where we have about 30 fruit trees growing. And today we're going to talk about fruit tree health and how to make sure that your fruit trees are surviving, especially when we have the triple-digit heat wave coming back this weekend. So I'm sitting right next to a dwarf pomegranate tree, which is looking pretty sad. You can tell the leaves are turning yellow and brown and falling off, but you can see that the tree is still alive because it has new baby growth coming. So we are gonna figure out what's going on with it and why it's struggling so difficult. So the problem is with diagnosing plants is that they exhibit the same symptoms for a lot of different problems. So the leaves will turn yellow and fall off for a variety of different reasons. It could be too much water, it could be not enough water, it could be the trunk is buried too deep, it could be that moles are digging holes under the root ball and causing air pockets, it could be a soil imbalance. There's a lot of different things. So let's go ahead and figure out what's going on here. So I'm here at my baby pomegranate tree. I've already assessed that the soil is too wet. So all I did to test that was stick my fingers down into the soil, and I can feel it's almost like mud. And I know that pomegranate trees do not like that. They like well-drained soil because they're a classic Mediterranean plant. So first thing I did was pull all the weeds away from the plant to help get some sun into the root ball. I also turned the drippers closed a little bit more so not as much water will produce. And as I'm digging around the base of our trunk here, I can see that the dirt level was too high on the trunk. So here's where the dirt level was originally when I showed up this morning, and after excavating it with a shovel, I found that there was about 3 inches of the trunk that was buried underground. Now this is very bad for the tree because what happens is all the little insects and detritus that live in the soil start eating away at the tree bark. So as you can see right here, there's a section where the tree bark has already been eaten away. So I pulled all the dirt away from the tree and all the roots, and I threw the dirt out. And we're gonna see if over the weekend that helps this little guy bounce back, and then I'm gonna check on him first thing on Tuesday. So it's very important when you're planting your trees to make sure that you plant them slightly above the ground level, because as the loose soil around the root ball of the tree compacts, because it will compact over time when you dig the hole and then you backfill it, the soil's very loose, but after a couple months of watering, all those air bubbles go away and the weight of the dirt presses down, so your tree or whatever you're planting is gonna sink probably 5 or 6 inches, maybe even up to a foot. So you want to make sure that you're planting your trees and your large shrubs so that the base of the root ball is like 6 inches to a foot higher than the surrounding soil level. That's really key for your trees to survive. So that was our lesson for today, and I look forward to harvesting some pomegranates in the near future from these little babies. I think they're going to bounce back quite nicely, and fall is the time for pomegranates. So thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.